Hello and welcome back to Biker Stuff. Today I'm going to fit Nighteye LED H4 bulbs in the Tiger 800. Also I'm going to check the beam pattern to make sure I won't blind anyone with them. These are the new LED bulbs I picked up from eBay. A few years ago, decent LED headlight bulbs like this were around £50, but they have come down a lot. These were £17.50. Sexy gloves, instructions, bulbs. Assuming they provide a similar beam to the stock headlight bulbs, then I will proceed with making sure they fit and the wiring loom from the bulb fits in a neat way. Let's start. Firstly, I'll find out where the stock bulbs are laying their beam by using this board. That's the beam marked. Now I'll change one bulb to see the difference. You'll need to take the cap off the back of the lamp. Unplug the bulb, unclipping the spring clip, then pulling the bulb out. I've also disconnected the other bulb, just so the beam from the new LED is more obvious. To make life easier, this part twists off. Let's put it in, clip it in place and connect the wiring. Hopefully it shines in the same place as the tungsten halogen bulb. As you can see, I will need to adjust the beam level. On the Mark 1, it is inside the pillion adjusting lever at the bottom in the middle. That all worked out okay, so I'll do the same with the other lamp and I'm finished. Thank you for watching. You know you liked it, so tell your friends to like and subscribe.